Hey there everybody, Ken Thames back with you here inside Harbor Lanes in Eureka, California. And today we're going to take a look at a brand new ball from Lordfield. This is in the Blizzard line. This is the new Blizzard Frozen. I have had a chance to throw this some already, and I'll tell you, I like the reaction, I like the hit power behind it. It is a smooth playing solid, so this is a solid. I let that one go. It's cement in color, features the Blizzard core, and the cover stock is the RBR4 anti-IVI like we had on the Graffiti Icon. So that is our antibacterial, odor-resistant cover stock. We're going to take a look at it today. I put the same layout on this that I did the Icon. I did it at 60 by 5 3/8 by 30. And we're going to take a look. And this is on a fresh Stone Street pattern. So let's get out here on the lanes and take a look. Okay, so real quick before I start throwing, what I am going to do is, like I've done in some of the other videos, is I'm going to go ahead, start throwing more down and in, take a little hand out of the ball, come out the back a little bit more, and then we're going to progress left and transition our mark in and see where we can take it. So let's get out here and take a look. Alright, so as I said, it does play very smooth. At this time, we're going to go ahead and start transitioning. I'm going to go ahead and probably do 4 boards at a time with my feet. Slowly transition our spot in as well. And let's take a look and see what happens. We'll see how far we can go. Alright, stay tuned. Okay, so like I said, we're going to jump 4 left with the feet, bring my target in a little bit, come around the side of the ball just a little bit more, see how it looks. Right there, I was standing 29, had my target about 15 to 17. So we're going to go ahead and move the feet 4 more. Bring the target in just a little bit more. Shoot definitely more 18 to 20 board. And we'll see what happens. Add a little more ham. Okay, not a bad look. So they jumped a little high on me that time. So it did look like on that last shot I dropped my ball speed down just a hair. So we're going to go ahead and try it one more time here. Keep the hand in it. Keep the feet up. And when you throw a good shot, good things happen. So one more. I got that in a little deeper than I wanted. Okay, so we've seen that from that point we can get the ball to recover, we can get it to turn the corner, we can still get the drive out of it. So let's go ahead and go 4 more with the feet. Add a little bit more hand. Shoot around 20, see what happens. Still taking the corner, still driving, smooth. It's really, really nice. My cover stock has broke in on this a little bit now that I've got some games on it. And it's showing me a little bit more and more every time I throw it. So right now, I'm going to try something I haven't really been able to accomplish with this ball so far. And that's move. I'm going to go 3 more boards left this time. And this is typically where I'll start if I'm throwing that icon. This is about where I'm starting on fresh oil, up here against the ball return. Let's give it a look and see what happens. So this is where I find with this ball, get in a little deeper, and part of it could be the layout. Labors a little bit more on turning the corner, not quite as strong as the icon. But we'll give it another look and see. So that time I did get it to turn the corner and really drive back in, but I got it out into the more friction quicker. go ahead and clear this off, and we'll give it one more look here. As I actually wasn't intending to get it out into the friction quite that quick. So what I see there is if I pull that back just a couple boards with my feet, should be a great shot. So I'll come back, I might come back 2 boards with the feet. Puts me right where I want it to be. Okay, so let's review what we've seen here. So this is the Blizzard Frozen from Lordfield. Features the Blizzard core. It has the RVR4 anti-IVI cover stock, which is that new antibacterial odor-resistant cover stock. It does feature the Elastic E as well, like we featured in so many of our Lordfield and swag balls. This is cement in color, comes out of the box at a 4000 sanded. It is a solid, plays very, very smooth. Part of it, you're at 4000, so you know this is easy to, if you get your layout on this ball and you're wanting to see a little bit more out of it without plugging and re-drilling to adjust your layout, you can take that surface down some. We're at 4000, so you've got a lot of room to play there. I'm out here on a fresh stone street pattern, so you can see how the ball reacted on that. I'm able to take the hand out, play up the outside. I can move in. Not quite as strong as the Graffiti Icon was, but still a nice, strong, smooth ball. Lots of drive behind it. So I think that's about all I've got for you here today. So hopefully everybody's staying safe. As always, from our family to yours, we hope that everybody's safe and doing well, and bowling centers are starting to open back up, leagues are getting going, tournaments are getting back going again. So this is a great time to pick up some new equipment, get out there on the lanes, and show everybody just what California bowling is all about. So all my contact information is listed here in the video. As always, you know, if you got your local pro shop, or if you're a pro shop guy yourself, you want to see some of this in there, by all means, get a hold of me. We'll get you taken care of. You know, don't just take my word for it. J.R. Raymond from Bowler X should have a video coming out on this ball here real soon as well. Always check out JR's ball reviews as well. Gives great feedback. He's had a lot of good things to say about all the California bowling equipment. So, until next time, keep an eye on our website, www.californiabowlingllc.com, for all the latest info as releases are coming. Worldwide release on this ball, November 13th, 2020, so it's coming up real soon. So keep an eye on the website. As soon as November 13th hits, this is going to be available to buy. So I'm going to get out of here. I hope everybody's well, and we'll talk to you again real soon. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.